In today's video, I'm going to show you how to have two Epic Games accounts on one PC and switch between them the easy way. This is a simple method if you have one account for gaming, another for purchases, or maybe you just want to keep your library and progress separate. The important thing to know right away is that you cannot stay logged in to both Epic Games accounts at the exact same time on one launcher session, but you can switch between them quickly whenever you need to. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful PC guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC and make sure you're signed into the account you're currently using. Once the launcher is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This will open your account menu. From here, select Sign Out. This logs you out of the first Epic Games account so you can switch to another one on the same computer. After signing out, you'll be brought back to the login screen. Now choose the sign-in option you want to use for your second account. You can sign in with your email and password, or you can use the social media or platform credentials linked to that Epic Games account, depending on how it was originally created. Enter the login details for your second account and continue. If you want switching to be faster in the future, make sure to check the Remember Me box when you sign in. This can save your login details and make it much easier to go back and forth between both accounts later. Once you're signed in, the Epic Games launcher will load your second account, and you'll have access to that library, those settings, and that profile instead. If you ever want to go back to the first account, just repeat the same process. Click your profile icon, sign out, and log in with the other account again. That's really all there is to it. The key takeaway is that you can manage two Epic Games accounts on one PC, but you have to switch between them by signing out and signing back in. It's quick, simple, and completely manageable once you know where the sign out option is. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.